This on. Yeah. Right here in the alphabet on. Is this where you turn the sound and stuff on there right here? On this page here?
That one card must be
Tell you what CD is.
It's in, CD, CD 49, and you got 0, 8, 2, that's it. Once go to CD 49 and sit,
Whatever the one you want to turn up, and you go to CD 52, and all that, and I'll CD 55.
but what do 18 and 16 and 19 mean?
There's different, like if you do, each one of them is what it says to the right of it. One of them says air, one says brakes, and one says
Oh,
and
you
you
got
got
to turn up to 19.
yeah, you get by turn that knob. But that's like touching it, you need to be the same on separate.
That's what it's running, right?
Well, I just see it on there and it lights up and you start running the numbers.
Okay, now, you programming on that thing that said, it looked like a 3 and a 6, right?